My name's Eric Wielander and welcome to my channel all about apps and gear in the Apple ecosystem. Today's an exciting day as Apple just announced iOS 12 and a whole bunch of new features. So I wanted to make a quick video about one of the great new features in iOS 12, which is called Memoji. So when Apple first announced the iPhone X, they released Animoji, and Animoji allowed you to create an animated character, video, or photo based on your facial expression, and it would sort of apply that facial expression to a character. And then beyond just those characters, Apple allows you to create your own character with a new feature called Memoji. So you can make an Animoji that looks like yourself or really any kind of character you want, and then you're able to use that in messages just like you would with a normal Animoji. I'm actually out here in San Jose attending another developer conference called the Nextdoor Conference. It's right near WWDC. So I'm in all of this and being able to see everything. And Apple does give us developers early access to these operating systems so we can make our apps compatible with it. So what I'm about to show you is pre-release. It was announced today by Apple, but some of this stuff might change before it goes into the public betas or even especially into the public release, probably in the fall sometime. So I'm going to go here in messages and I'm going to add Animoji. Now you can see here I already created one that sort of looks like me, and so I don't know, but you can change your facial expression and then you'll see those changes right there on the Animoji. Of course you can use all of the existing characters, and they have tongues, so there's that. But if you want to create a new one, a new Memoji, you just slide over to the side and hit the plus button, and then from here you're already seeing a live preview of what this could look like, and you can change the colors to a real broad variety of different colors. You can get pretty funky with this, but you can also get more of the normal, skin tones, and they're pretty reflective across the board. But yeah, so let's just try another one that looks kind of like that. You can choose how many freckles. You probably saw that in Apple's keynote. And then you can choose a really broad variety of hairstyles. So from there, I'm going to pick this hairstyle, and then I'm going to choose the shape of the head. What do I want that looks natural for that? So then I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to choose the eyes. Oh, and by the way, I forgot on hairstyle, you can go back here and change the color. And you have these preset colors that you can choose the variants of, and then you also have this like color picker, so you can really go all kinds of crazy on the hair color and just maybe not necessarily crazy, but just match whatever kind of color you've dyed your hair potentially, or the way you want your hair to look just in your Animoji. So anyways, from there, go back to head shape as I was mentioning. So you can change that, and you can also change the age. So like there's a older person, I guess this smaller head is like a younger person. So there's that. I guess that you can see a little bit of wrinkles there, whereas you add the extra, the oldest age there, and then there's eyes. So let's choose some eyes, and you can see you can add some eyelashes as well if that's part of something you really want, and then just different eye shapes to match your head or just kind of the look you're going for, and then you can choose brows. So if you have big eyebrows or small eyebrows, you can change that. And then nose, of course, you can adjust that size to fit your liking, as well as lips. So you can do large lips, small, medium, and then they also have more of the lip shape as well as the just normal lip. And then you can choose what color lips you want, whether it's with lipstick or just normal colored or natural, I guess you could say. Big ears, small ears, so again, fitting your characteristics there. And then You can choose if you want to be wearing earrings as well, so you can do that, and then you can put on like different colors for those earrings, whatever you want to do there. Facial hair as well, you can choose all different types of facial hair. So lots of options. It looks like that's going to just go ahead and match your hair color. There's no real option to change to a different beard color. So some of these can just look so silly. I'm sorry, I just can't help myself. And then you can choose from there some eyewear. So, you know, whatever matches your glasses style. I'm gonna go with the monocle. And maybe we'll make that a red lens with a green, I don't know, let's go with some orange and some blue. There we go, that's looking stylish. And then from there, maybe I need like a sailor cap, that looks good. Or I could have a cowboy hat, really whatever kind of clothes that I'm really looking for here. So choose a top hat maybe. Yeah, this is good. So if you notice still, you know, as I move my head, it's doing all of that stuff by using the depth camera on the front. So I'm gonna hit done. And now I have this Memoji here. So you can have more than one of these Memoji. You can create as many as you want. So here's my like one that I was trying to get to represent me. At least this was my first shot. I might have something better. And then of course, here's the one we just made. And so what you can do there is you can also hit that 3 dots in the corner, and you can duplicate a Memoji. So if you want to like make a copy of it and modify it and make it a little different the second time, you can do that. You can also hit edit, and let's say we want to go back and we want to change something about this. So we want to add freckles, and maybe we want to make the skin tone orange for whatever reason, or you know, just any other color that's just, you know, whatever we're in the mood for, and then hit done, and then it will be updated right there. Then from there, I can just also tap the red button and do a recording that way. So then if you want to get rid of any of these Memojis you make, you can just tap the 3 dots here at the bottom, and instead of doing the edit or duplicate like we did earlier, you just tap remove. Do you sure you want to delete this one? Yes, and then it's gone. Give this video a thumbs up down below if you liked it. Subscribe to this channel for more great content on apps and gear in the Apple ecosystem. Let me know in the comments below if you're excited about Memoji or if you just think it's a silly gimmick. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.